Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 3n plus 1 times of 7n plus 1 is equal to 17, and we will solve this problem for the value of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first I can make the coefficient of n on both of the factors are same. So in order to make the coefficient of n are same, I can take the LCM of the coefficients of n. So you can see here the LCM of 3 and 7 is equals to 21, and now you can multiply both sides by 21, so that you will get 21 into 3n plus 1 into 7n plus 1 is equal to 17 multiplied by 21. And now you see that we can write this 21 as 7 times of 3. You will write here 7 times of 3 is 21 into 3n plus 1, 7n plus 1 is equals to, here you have 17, and we will write 17 as 19 minus 2, and we write 21 as 19 plus 2. And now in the start of the question I can tell us that we will make the coefficients of both of the n are same, so that now you can multiply this 7 on the first factor and you multiply 3 on the second factor in order to make the coefficient of n is same. So that now when you multiply the 7 on first factor, then you can write 7 times of 3n plus 1 into 3 times of 7n plus 1 is equals to 19 minus 2 and 19 plus 2. And here I can use the nice exponential law, and you know about this law. Here we can apply the nice uh, algebraic formula, which is a squared minus b squared, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So now we can use here this nice formula in the right hand side of this question. So its left hand side will be written as, we will multiply this term on both of the terms, and you get 21 times of n plus 7 into, yes, it's right, you can multiply in both of the factors. Similarly you will write 3 on both of the factors, and you get 21n plus 3, and in the right hand side you can use here this nice formula, so that you will get its right hand side is 19 square minus 2 square. And after this step we can rewrite its left hand side as, here you have 21 times of n plus 7, and we will write it as 21n plus 5 plus 2. We write the 7 as 5 plus 2. Similarly we can write this 3 as 21n plus 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 will be equals to 3, and this whole is equals to 19 square minus 2 square. So now we will make some little bit simplification here. So you can see that 21 n plus 5 will be the same term on both of the factors, so that I can take here y is equals to 21n plus 5. So when you can put here, then you will get y plus 2 times of y minus 2 is equals to 19 square minus 2 square. And in the left hand side you see that we will again use this nice formula, so that its left hand side will becomes in the form of y square minus 2 square, and this whole is equals to 19 square minus 2 square. And now you see that minus 2 square will be the same term on both of the sides, so that this are cancelled out by this one, and here you get y square is equals to 19 square. And now you can take the square root on both of the sides of this term, and you will get here the terms in this form. And here you see that this 2 and square root are gone, and this 2 and square root are gone, and finally you get here y is equals to plus minus 19. Because when you can open or take the square root on both of the sides, then you will write plus minus sign. So here we have two cases. The first case is we take y is equals to plus 19, and the other case is we take y is equals to minus 19. And now we can put the value of y, and here you see that y is equals to 21 and plus 5. So now we can back substitute the value of y, and you get here 21 and plus 5 is equals to 19. And similarly here you get 21 and plus 5 is equals to minus 19. And here you obtain 21 and is equals to 19 minus 5, and in this case you get 21 and is equals to minus 19 minus 5. So here you obtain 21 n is equals to 19 minus 5 will be equals to 14, and here you have 21 n is equals to minus 19 minus 5 will be equals to minus 24. And finally you get the values of n is equals to 14 over 21, and similarly here you get the values of n is minus 24 over 21, and so this is equals to minus 8 over 7, and this is equals to 2 over 3. So these are the two values of the given question, and this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.